Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Speak English with Mr. Light. Today we're going to talk about a very simple topic but vital. Today we're going to talk about the uses of have and has. I know, it's very simple, it's very easy to use, but believe me, we don't know the uses of these two words perfectly till. Yeah. Imagine if you were using this, two words and you're not being able to use it accurately. Wouldn't that be so much shameful? So much embarrassing. It will be so much embarrassing, wouldn't it be? Yeah, that is correct, because it's very simple to use. And if you're going to make mistakes in simple stuffs, then it will be so much embarrassing. And I don't want you to be embarrassed. That's why I'm making this video. And if you don't know grammar, don't worry, I'm going to explain about these two words and the uses of two words grammatically as well as non-grammatically. Even if you don't know grammar, you need not to worry, you have a little idea about grammar, it will be so much perfect because I'm going to explain this thing so easily that you'll get it instantly. Okay, so let's start. At first we'll learn grammatically, shall I? And about have. Have is used for first and second person in both forms, singular and plural. Have is also used for plural forms of third person. Okay? For you who don't understand what is person and how to identify, I just want you to think about the situation. Sometimes we say that I'm the best, you are the second, and all the other people, the third class people, I don't care about them. Okay, sometimes we say that, right? So person is like that. I, we, this are first person, you, second person, and all the other things like he, she, it, they, the board, the teachers, the extremist, all the other things, this are third person. So for first person and second person, you always need to use have, and for third person plural, you need to use have. Okay. Has is only used for third person singular numbers such as he, she, it, Kareem, Rahim, Nadir, something like that, okay? This is the thing. But in general, if I think the uses of have and has, then I want you to look at the screen, okay? First and second in both forms, and third person in plural form, you have to use have, and for third person singular, you have to use has. Isn't it simple? Okay, let's understand non-grammatically, shall we? Let's know the uses of has non-grammatically. Has will always be used for he, she, it, and places where we can use this as alternatives. For example, the boy blank done it. What do you think? What will be happen? What should be the appropriate word for that? The boy, yeah, I know, you know that. The boy can also be replaced as he, can't it be? And after he, what should we use? Has. So the boy has. Got it? Okay, let's know the uses of have. Have will always be used for I, you, we, they, and places where we can use this as alternatives. For example, they have done it. Obviously, we know that. So we can say that the boys blank done it. The boys, instead of the boys, we can use they. After they, what do you need to use? Have. So the final result will be the boys have done it. Let's see more examples. I blank a car. It's pretty simple. We know that after I, we have to use have. So I have a car. Okay, let's see another one. Our another example is my teacher blank a beautiful car. Instead of my teacher, we can use he, can't we? My teacher is beautiful, he is very smart. We can use it. So after he, what should we use? Has. So my teacher has a beautiful car. Our another example is America blank so many beautiful places. Instead of America, we can use it. And after it, we need to use has, as I mentioned before. So the final result is America has so many beautiful places. Let's look at our another example. My mom and I blank thought about it a lot. My mom and I, both together. We, my mom and I, we can say we, okay, and after we need to use have. So the final result is my mom and I have thought about it a lot. Our next example is going to be very dangerous. Girls, don't kill me, I'm already petrified. Okay, so boys blank natural beauty. Boys, instead of boys, what can we use? They. And after they, we need to use have. So the final result is boys have natural beauty. I'm not saying that girls